No, none, and not a, not any. Learn the difference. The terms no, none, not a, and not any are all used to express negation or absence, but they have slightly different meanings and usage. 1. No. No is used to negate a singular or plural noun directly. It is used to indicate the absence or non-existence of something. For example, no cars were available. I have no money. 2. None. None is a pronoun that means not any or not one. It is used to indicate the complete absence or lack of something. While no can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns, none is typically used with countable nouns or when referring to a specific set of items. For example, none of the books on the shelf are mine. I asked for some water, but there was none left. 3. Nada. Nada is used to negate a singular countable noun. It implies that there is not even one of the things being referred to. For example, I am not a doctor. He is not a fan of horror movies. 4. Not any. Not any is used to negate both countable and uncountable nouns. It implies the absence or lack of any or all of the things being referred to. For example, there are not any apples in the basket. She doesn't have any money. In summary, no negates a noun directly, none refers to the absence of something, nada negates a singular countable noun, and not any negates both countable and uncountable nouns. The choice of which one to use depends on the grammatical context and the type of noun being negated.